Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And I don't know about you, but it is hot here in Los Angeles. Holy macaroni. Right now it's like 10 o'clock at night and it's still hot. Anyways, let's get into what I'm talking about. So, I have two no out-of-pocket expense join kits available for anyone who is joining for the first time. So, if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're interested. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So if you don't know, right now is our busiest season with Scentsy. This is the time to jump in and come do Scentsy with me because, let's see, like I said, it was like almost 10 o'clock at night. At midnight starts our fall collection drops. So we have Harry Potter, all of our Halloween, all of our fall stuff. We got bundles going. We got a ton of stuff, right? And then right after that's done, then we got Christmas. And we're going to get, what else? We are getting, you guys, my brain just turned off. Hocus Pocus. We're getting Hocus Pocus. So this is a great time to join because there's so much going on. And I'm over here burping. Sorry, today's my 50th birthday. 50th, it's almost over, but I just had a piece of cake. I had to buy it myself, but whatever. I was like, I'm getting cake. Anywho, so like I said, I have two no out-of-pocket expense join kits that I will gift to somebody. So, if you are interested and you're on the fence, maybe you want to message me, I'm going to put my email in the description of this video, and that's the best way to get a hold of me, okay? So, a couple little things about Scentsy. We don't require you to carry stock. As a matter of fact, they prefer, am I having a stroke? I don't know. Prefer? You guys, I can't talk. Maybe it was the cake. I don't know. They prefer you to have people order from your website. So you don't have to carry stock. Super fun stuff, like low startup cost to join. Like I said, zero out of pocket for two people that I'm willing to bless, and I'm working on a third. What else? And super fun. It's just a good time. Like literally we get paid to make people's house smell good. That's fun. There's a bunch of other reasons. Oh, friends. I've made a ton of friends. Anywho, so if you have questions, just go ahead and message me. If you're interested, message me and let me know. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.